All right, guys, we're back. It's football time. Break 422. 3 boxes of Mosaic Hobby. Here we go, everyone. Thank you so much for being patient. We just had to get that unpaid sold. Chase G with the Cardinals, Victor S with the Falcons, Michael Lee with the Ravens, Tom G with the Bills, Edward with the Panthers, Jason H with the Bears, Joe S with the Bengals, Curtis M with the Browns, Jesse J with the Cowboys, Broncos, going to Travis S. Dan F with the Lions, Daryl with the Packers, Jason H with the Texans, Chad T with the Colts, Giovanni with the Jaguars, Ryan with the Chiefs, Benjamin with the Raiders, Radford with the Chargers, John D with the Rams, Jason with the Dolphins, Julian with the Vikings, Lewis with the Patriots, Bob C with the Saints, Alistair with the Giants, David B with the Jets, Travis picked up the Eagles, Peter P with the Steelers, Zachary C back with the 49ers, Kristen with the Seahawks, Tristan with the Bucks, Kurt D with Titans, Dalton with the Commanders. Congratulations to everybody that won their teams. We appreciate you breaking with us, and let's get the football going. All right, here we go. Box 1, everyone. Pull some fire. Here we go, everyone. How's everyone doing? Everyone been patient? We're just waiting for the football, I presume. And here we are. Finally with some football for you.
Hey, Travis, if you're interested in Capstone, just, we do have it up on eBay, man. Just send us an offer.
You mean for box or personal?
He wants a box.
Yeah, we can sell you boxes up there. We can sell you boxes on boxes on boxes on boxes. I decided I'm just going to open all the packs from now on, or at least for most of them, because it's easier. I don't know if it's easier, just once you get in that mood. Oh my God, Hertz Black 101. That would be unpaid magic, that's for sure. All right. Good luck, everyone. Here we go. Hopefully you can all see.
You're good like that.
Good? Yeah. All right, here we go. Garrett Wilson, Petrie, Izukanma, and White. Nice. Kevin Byard for the Titans. White Mosaic to 25. 21 to 25. Congratulations to the Tennessee Titans. Kurt D. Beautiful card. A silver Dak. Brees Hall, blue chips, a Mac Jones straight fire. Nice way to start it. Bonito, Batty, and David Ojabo is our first auto for the Baltimore Ravens. That's Michael E. David Ojabo, congrats. Cordell, Mosaic, a red Mosaic Slater. Men of Mastery, Link, TJ, Jim, Jonathan, Judon, Eddie, Michael, Drake London, Ikwonmu, Damian Harris, Mosaic, a silver Daniel Bellinger for the Giants. All right. Montage, Kyler, and a Cooper Cup Swagger Mosaic. There you go. Cooper Cup action. Love these. These are awesome. Jerry Judy, Michael Pittman, Chase, Jerry Rice. Okay. Keep going. Algier, James Cook, Howie Long Mosaic for the Raiders, Keenan Allen Silver for the Chargers, a silver Tom Brady montage. And Jahan Dotson, Brock Purdy, Son Haskins, Pierre Strong, Mosaic rookie, Justin Simmons, Denver Broncos, red Mosaic. Montage. A blue chips of Desmond Ritter. There's a blue chips of /99. That's going to be 31 of 99. Desmond Ritter, blue chips. All right, first half, first box. All right, here we go. Logan Hall, Velas Jones, and our first auto is, second auto, I should say, Tyrion Davis Price for the San Francisco 49ers for Zachary. There you go. Elijah Moore, Mosaic. Najee Harris, red Mosaic. Malik Willis, rookie. Oladikin. Jesus Christ, why can't I say his name? Pierre Strong Jr. It's getting late. Here's a purple Kyler. Purple Kyler Murray for the Arizona Cardinals. That's going to be the 49, 16 of 49. Congrats, Arizona, with the purple Kyler Murray Mosaic. Matt Corral Silver, rookie for Carolina. Terrell Davis Silver. Olave. Samir White. Taylor. A Breece Hall rookie Mosaic. Devin Duvernay Silver for the Ravens. A silver montage of Mac Jones for New England. Uji Ogai.
Travis, just send us an offer, man. They're listed as buy now or best offer. So send us one, and then we'll respond, man.
James Cook rookie. Vic Jackson, Snoop Connor, a mosaic of Jahan Dotson. There you go. LaVisca Chenault silver. A overdrive Marshall Faulk. Mosaic. All right. Devontae Wyatt, Trayvon Walker, and a Tariq Young for Seattle. Mosaic. Red mosaic of Peyton Manning. Jahan blue chips. Trayvon Walker blue chips silver. All right, that was box one. Not a bad box. Had a purple. Had a white. Had a couple of these autos as usual. All right, that was box one. Let's go. Let's keep it up. Holy you can. Is that from Street Fighter, man? Holyukin. Isn't that Hadouken? Hadouken. Oh, you played, obviously.
I did.
You put in plenty of quarters in that machine in 7-Eleven. Yeah. I know, I've been there. After this, everyone, we're going to have our 2 random team breaks. 1 baseball, I believe, and 1 football. Street Cutter guy for sure. Just move this back just a little bit. I miss Street Fighter and Mortal Kombat.
Remember when we let the kids play the new Mortal Kombat and we're both sitting there looking at each other like,
yeah,
we should have never done this.
Right. Well, no, because the new Mortal Kombat on PlayStation or whatever, I was like, oh yeah, I played this as a kid. There's my like little kid playing this going, this is awfully violent. You're gonna let me play this? I'm like, yeah, don't worry, it's fine. And then of course you see some of the moves, you're like, okay, this is not the same Mortal Kombat I play. This is like above and beyond graphic.
The finish moves were just
Yeah, that
a little bit too much.
was brutal. All right, here we go. Let's Drake London, Wandale Robinson, David Ojabo, a blue TJ Hawkinson for the Detroit Lions. That's 55 of 99. It's called Button Smash Combat now. Yeah, that's what it is. Silver, Jelani Woods for the Colts. Blue chips, Garrett Wilson. Swagger, silver, Dalvin Cook. All right. Rashad White, Desmond Ritter, Snoop Connor. I think we had him yesterday, too. For the Jaguars. The Jags will win or lose, by the way. What happened to that game? Snoop Connor, Jacksonville, autograph. Malik Willis, Mosaic, Red Mosaic, Cooper Kupp. So I know they were like coming back last second or whatever it was. Kenny Pickett, Cade Otton, Sky Moore, Dawson Knox, Mosaic, a silver Kyle Pitts. What a disappointing year he had. Lance. Wow, Jags won. No way.
Mario's.
Yeah, you're probably right. Roger Craig for the San Francisco 49ers. Old school. Look at that. In it to win it. Almost sounds like click it to win it or something. All right.
Yeah, I mean, when did we do that? Last year?
Yeah.
Right? They're, like his little guys, what was he?
Like 11.
11. My girls were 13, so we're like, all right, they're old enough.
We're terrible parents. Brees Paul, Calvin Austin, Cade York, Rashawn Slater, Mosaic, Red Mosaic, Aiden Hutchinson.
We didn't tell our wives though.
No. Brees Hall, blue chips.
Because they went out. That's what it was, right?
Yeah. Cooper Kupp, Men of Mastery, silver. We just try like, this is the best babysitter we got.
The wife that went out, we're like, yeah, you kids want to play some Mortal Kombat?
Yeah, play some Mortal Kombat. You'll enjoy it. It came scarred. Samori Torre, Traylon Burks, and Malik Willis. There you go. Nice rookie, Malik Willis for the Tennessee Titans. Garrett Wilson, Mosaic. A silver, Saquon Barkley. All right, first half.
Tyler, are you surprised? But I'm sorry. By 2 points, that's got to be rough.
Oh, I'm sorry you lost, bro. Quay Walker, rookie. Alec Pierce, rookie. Kayvon Thibodeau, rookie. Mosaic. A gold mosaic of Devin Duvernay. Gold mosaic. Baltimore Ravens. 7 of 10. There you go, Baltimore. Michael E.
You didn't lose? I thought you lose.
I thought you lose. And Borat over here. Phil Sims in it to win it, silver. Oh, I love the way when he gets tired, you could tell. Kyle Hamilton, Aaron Rodgers, Chris Jones, Andrew Booth Jr., Thibodeau, DeAndre Swift, Mosaic, Kenny Pickett, silver. The silvers look nice this year. Phil Jackson, blue chips, Garrett Wilson, rookie. You have to get more of those, bro.
I'll order something more.
Sam Howell, Malik Willis, Jeremy Ruckert, Kenny Galladay, Mosaic, Red Jahan Dotson, Mosaic, jersey match, and an overdrive of Bo Jackson. Bo knows.
Can you pick it silver? That's nice.
Yeah. Bo Jackson for the Raiders. That looks cool. All right, final stack of box 2. So slippery. Sauce, rookie. Malcolm Rodriguez, Jelani Woods, a Najee Harris Mosaic, a silver Tony Boselli, a silver John Elway, Stairmaster, Eco Trey, Ebo Logan. What else we got? Isaac Jamison Williams rookie, Elam rookie, Hines Ward Mosaic, a red Mosaic of Christian McCaffrey. And we got a purple montage of Austin Eckler. There you go, to 49, I believe. Indeed, 47/49. Congratulations to the Chargers. Austin Eckler montage, purple Mosaic. Chargers. And we got box 2 is done. We got our little gold action. Put that up. Why not? Got some autos. There's a whole lot of stuff going on. All right, final box. Good luck, everybody. If you're new, please like, follow, subscribe. I certainly appreciate you. We're up to 55. How many likes do we got? We had 55 watchers. Stay alive. 55. 2 likes. 2. All right, Ryan. You called out his name. That's what we need you to do, man. He wants some Mahomes. Broncos, Eagles, heat it up. And Mahomes. Mahomes. Come on, let's heat it up for everybody. Kenny Pickett.
We will be breaking XR for you football fans next Friday, Saturday. So Friday we'll do half of the case, 7-box break, and then Saturday we'll do the second half of the case. So those listings will be up tomorrow night and Monday night. So tomorrow for Friday breaks, and then Monday night for Saturday breaks for 5-day listings. So look out for that if you guys want to get into XR next week. And then we are looking at picking up some more Mosaic, possibly for the week after. But next week will be XR. I know Spectra's coming out, so I don't know if we're going to grab that or not. So more to come.
More to come. I know you do, Travis. You're the one of 2. And I believe Tyler's the other.
I hope Tyler hits the like button every time.
You would think. All right, here we go. Let's finish strong. Come on, let's get all the cards we need here. Sam Howell, rookie. Carson Strong. Ryan Robinson Jr. James Washington for Dallas Cowboys, Mosaic. A blue Tony Boselli, Mosaic to 99 for the Jaguars. That's going to be 84/99. All right, Jaguars, blue Mosaic. Silver Marcus Allen for the Raiders. Got all the OG Raiders. Bo Jackson, Marcus Allen. All right, we got... What else we got? Jake Ferguson, sign. Chris Olave, Mosaic, rookie. A silver sauce. These silvers look really nice this year, man. Silver sauce. Like, this looks better than the Prism at this point, in my view. But blue chips, Kenneth Walker. Men of Mastery, Ray Lewis for Baltimore, Mosaic.
Thanks, Tyler. Thanks, everyone.
All right. Let's see. Traylon Burks is rookie. Tyquan Thornton. Cam Taylor-Britt. A J.K. Dobbins Mosaic for Baltimore. A San Francisco red Mosaic, Danny Gray. And a Joe Theismann. I don't know. That's a white. It's not numbered, so no. It's just the way it looks. So Mosaic center stage, Joe Theismann. Theismann, I'm sorry, not Theismann. All right. Come on. Where's all the good stuff? Where are you hiding? Devontae Wyatt, Trayvon Walker, A.J. Dillon Mosaic, Michael Thomas, red Mosaic, Blue Chips Olave, Stairmasters Debo Samuel, silver. Oh, geez. No pressure. Kyle Hamilton. What we got here? Are those points? Those fucking points. Jaquan Brisker. Bo Melton. No, points. Bo Melton. But yeah. Where's the stupid thing? In the background?
Yeah, it's on the back.
Okay. Ugh. All I can say is ugh. We'll randomize to everybody. Fournette Mosaic. Eli Manning silver. Takes the wind out of your sails, man. That's all I'm going to say. Kenny Pickett. Hayukin. Pierre Strong. Ooh. There you go. What were these called again? These are the short prints. Mac Jones for New England. Louis V out of 15. 8 of 15. Just 2 off his jersey number. How are those called again? I forgot now. I read it like 5 minutes ago. Tessellation. What do you say?
Someone wrote something.
Oh. Yes, tessellation. That's what it was. Congrats. Nice. Still doesn't make up for the points. Mike Ditka, silver. Swagger, silver. Najee Harris. Javonte, Ray. Jason, Antonio, Derek, Darius. Logan Hall, rookie. Velas Jones. Danny Gray, purple. For San Francisco 49ers, Danny Gray. That's going to be 25 of 49. That is jersey number? What is his jersey number? I can't tell. Could be 25. I don't know Danny Gray's number. Nice purple auto. Joe Burrow, Mosaic. A Darren Waller, red, Mosaic. Dusty ass cards, man. I don't know what all this stuff is. Brees Hall, rookie. Drake Jackson, Snoop Connor. A Jordan Davis for Philadelphia, Mosaic, rookie. A silver Deebo Samuel. A swagger of Lamar Jackson. All right. Man, what is this stuff? Some white powder. It ain't my white powder. All right. Drake London. Samir White. Taylor. Christian McCaffrey, Mosaic. A silver Greg Dulcich. Silver Austin Eckler to go with the other Austin Eckler. Yeah, I don't know what that stuff is. Honestly, I do not know. Tariq Young, rookie. Brees Hall, rookie. Alvin Kamara, Mosaic. Alan Lazard for Green Bay, red, Mosaic. A Traylon Burks, introductions to 49. 12 of 49. Traylon Burks, Tennessee is on hot fire. Traylon Burks, purple. Introductions, Mosaic. And that's going to do it. Ugh. Got to randomize those points, too. Still got that random team football break after this.
Got
Let me just tops first. Yeah, I know. Get rid of these things while you... All right, so we had a Traylon Burks to 49. Purple Mosaic introduction. We had an Austin Eckler to 49. Montage to 40 Mosaic. A TJ Hawkinson blue Mosaic to 99. A Kyler Murray purple Mosaic to 49. A Desmond Ritter blue chips to 99. And get to the autograph in a second. Send Michael. Who's Michael? Michael Jackson? What are you talking about?
Sure. I'm just reviewing. I probably put
Tony Boselli to 99. You missed that.
in the stack.
No worries. We did get this Mac Jones to 15. Tessellation. That's pretty cool. Did get a Devin Duvernay to 10. gold to 7 of 10. We did get a white, Kevin Byard for Tennessee, 21 of 25. And our autos are Malik Willis, Snoop Connor, Tyrion Davis-Price, David Ojabo, Danny Gray to 49. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, we got fucked out of one because of this stupid shit. Sorry, I get angry. It pisses me off.
He gets so angry. All right, guys. So we will randomize the points to everyone that bought in. So we have, sorry, wrong one. Where am I doing? Arizona Diamondbacks. There's, where am I? I need to be bought. All right, guys. So we got all 32 teams in. We'll roll 2 dice, and then top. We will go 5, 4, 9 times. So top team will get the 900 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and again total of 9 times. Final time 8. Houston Texans 9 times.
9 times. Texans?
Yep.
Who was that? Houston is Jason.
Congrats, Jason.
Yeah, congrats on the 900 points. You have $9. All right. We'll be right back with the random breaks. We just got to set that up, do the randomizing. Give us a couple of minutes. We'll be right back. Thank you so much for joining us for the football break. Hope to catch you later and or next week.